Hi guys, so you can see my prototype is ready. So this is the Makiwara which I have built using I think fridge boxes, and these are the three LEDs which I have used with this. So the idea is whenever any light lights up, I supposed to kick or punch according to the position they are situated to. So if this light lights up, so I supposed to punch, and if side lights triggers up, then I need to kick or something. So it's very not usable kind of prototype, because I was thinking of doing it in a flat way so that I can kick on the light itself, but due to the soldering thing and the quality of the wire, it keeps on breaking. So that is the reason I'm not able to use it. So what I was thinking, or I'm thinking of it like in future, so I will have a similar setup but with a very thin layer of thermocol, and then I will apply some force sensor here. So I think force sensor should be able to handle my kicks. So when I kick something, it should register some force to my microcontroller. So this is my microcontroller. So I have used some tapes to make it stable. So whenever I do kicking, it shouldn't be fall out of this box. So this is like a 5-feet box I think, and it's very closer to this kind of setup. The only difference is when you kick something or punch something, the punching bag used to move like this, but this one just go here and there and in backward position. So it won't rotate in a civil position. So that is why I choose this one. So but the end result should be this kind of punching bag, but I think I need to create many prototype for that. But for now I have used a very simple algorithm where I'm picking random numbers for each of these LED. So it can light up like 2 times like you have seen, or maybe 1 time, one time. So that is my current setup. I will just show you, or I will also try at the same time that how usable it can be. So I will just warm up and come back.